Hi, welcome to the channel Salesforce Consultant. That's where I diarise my day-to-day tasks that I'm doing with clients, so hopefully can help you in your journey on Salesforce. Today we're going to be looking at the importance and the value of dashboards. And I've got a dashboard in front of me here, which is a dashboard I built for my convenience. So it's just a private dashboard. I don't share with anybody else in particular, only because I don't want to clutter up their workspace with that. There's no kind of data that I'm trying to avoid them seeing. But it just reminds me of some tasks I have to do on the system. And in this particular system, we manually post some data from Salesforce to the accounting system, and we get back from the accounting system an ID, and so then we know that those ones have actually been synced. And then the ones that have not been synced yet, that goes into a report, and the report, lo and behold, gives me a dashboard. And I've actually got two reports running, one for the orders that are in UK currency and one for the orders that are in US currency. So rather than me having to go and look at two reports, I can now look at one particular screen, and on that screen I've got a reminder of the orders that I need to process that are in GBP and a reminder of the orders that are in USD. And all I simply need to do now is click on one of those to go through to the relevant record and do the action. So let's have a look at that now. So now I can go to the order, and I'm going to process that particular order. Just sync that over onto the system. And I've got my confirmation message back. You can't quite see that on the screen, but trust me on that one. And what we'll do now, we'll flick back to our dashboard and have a quick look. Great, so now we're back to our dashboard, and we can see there's one less task to do on the US orders report. So there you have it. That's one very, very simple business case to use dashboards. Simply that rather than look at multiple reports, you can get a quick snapshot view of the reports on a single screen, and then you can work through that and obviously see them all decreasing on your screen. So it's a bit of a time saver if you can have them in on a dashboard. Hopefully you've got something out of that video. If you did, if you could like my video down below, I'd really appreciate it. Even better if you could subscribe to my channel, because I'll be putting up regular day-to-day tasks that I do on video on this particular channel. Any requirements or questions, then please feel free to add a question in the comment. I've got some contact details below as well on the channel if you want to get in contact with me, or you can simply email me, robert@zonprojects.com. In between time, enjoy Salesforce.